First off, we have the spectacular Capri Island. Known for its stunning cliffside landscapes and azure waters, Capri boasts of the Marina Piccola beach, a picturesque spot perfect for sunbathers and swimmers alike. Here, the Hotel Punta Tragara offers an unparalleled view of the Faraglione rock formations and features chic, elegant rooms that capture the essence of Italian luxury. Next is the Amalfi Coast's Positano. Famous for its pebbly beaches and steep, narrow streets, this coastal town is a haven for travelers. The Spiaggia Grande is Positano's main beach, known for its vibrant atmosphere and stunning sunset views. Nearby, Le Cyrenews Hotel provides a romantic setting with its stylish decor, panoramic views and exceptional service. In Sardinia, the Costa Smeralda, or Emerald Coast, is a jewel of the Mediterranean. Renowned for its white sand beaches and clear turquoise waters, it's a paradise for beach lovers. The Cala di Volpe Hotel, nestled in this region, offers a unique blend of rustic charm and modern luxury, making it an ideal retreat. On the Tuscan coastline, Forte dei Marmi is a destination that combines beach life with high-end shopping and fine dining. Here, the sandy beaches are a perfect family-friendly spot. The Principe Forte dei Marmi Hotel stands out with its contemporary design, gourmet dining options and a rooftop bar with panoramic views of the coast. Let's not forget Sicily's San Vito Lo Capo. This seaside town is famous for its crescent-shaped beach with golden sands and crystal-clear waters. The Capo San Vito Hotel offers rooms with sea views and a rooftop terrace where guests can enjoy the beautiful sunset. To summarize, Italy's beaches offer a unique blend of natural beauty, historical charm and vibrant atmosphere. From Capri's Marina Piccola and Positano's Spiaggia Grande to the Emerald Coast of Sardinia, the sandy beaches of Forte dei Marmi and the golden sands of San Vito Lo Capo. Each beach is a unique destination in itself. Similarly, the Italian hotels we've explored, from the luxurious Punta Tragara and Le Cyrenews to the rustic charm of Cala di Volpe, the contemporary Principe Forte dei Marmi and the scenic Capo San Vito, each provides a unique taste of Italian hospitality and style. As you embark on your journey to Italy, remember the beauty of travel lies not just in the destinations but in the experiences. From sun-soaked beaches to luxurious hotels, Italy promises an unforgettable journey filled with breathtaking views, cultural discoveries and culinary delights. So pack your bags and prepare for a journey of a lifetime. Buon viaggio!